Tragedy in North Philadelphia this morning where a man lost his life in a house fire. It happened on the 2300 block of Somerset Street. Authorities say the victim was able to make it out of the burning building but did not survive. Action News reporter Becca Hendrickson is live now outside the Fire Administration building in Spring Garden with the details. Becca.
Sarah, tragic morning indeed on Somerset Street. Fire officials say that man did initially make it out of the building and medics tried to save him, rushing him to the hospital, but he did lose his life. Now the fire marshal investigating the cause of this fire. Burnt out windows and fallen debris show the aftermath of a deadly fire in North Philadelphia.
Somebody called me to tell me to move my truck.
Junior Clark lives a few doors down from the home on the 2300 block of Somerset. He woke up to sirens and flames.
It looked like that was burning, like it was fire everywhere. It was a bit smoky out.
It started around 4:45 a.m. Firefighters say crews were on the scene within 2 minutes of the first call. 4 people were inside at the time.
People walked out, they were self-evacuated.
Fire officials say one of the victims became sick after walking out on his own. Medics tried to save him and rushed him to Temple University Hospital, but he did not survive. Crews had the flames under control in about 20 minutes.
Most of the damage was on the second floor, hallway, front bedroom, and things like that.
Now, as crews clean up debris, the fire marshal's office is investigating the cause of the fire. One thing they've learned so far, there were no working smoke detectors in the home.
We did not hear smoke alarms in there. In the house, okay? So again, our message is call 311 if you need smoke alarms.
Fire officials reiterating that those smoke alarms can save lives, and they're hoping this tragedy will serve as a reminder for everyone to check their own alarms. Live here in Spring Garden, Becca Hendrickson, Channel 6 Action News. Brian?
Okay, Becca, thank you.